Illusion. From Latin, delusion, deceit. As a rule, we are talking about deceiving the senses. And in the case of optical illusions, about deception of vision. In this lesson, we will talk about the 3D illusion. And we will deceive the vision with the help of shadows and light. For example, let's take a circle, and then, with the help of a radial gradient element, a shadow property, and a little interactivity, we will create the illusion of a three-dimensional ball. Imagine that the light source replaces the mouse cursor. Okay, let's go! We will have two files, HTML and JavaScript. In the style settings, disable the scroll bars. Next, let's create a canvas element with ID canvas1. Then point to the script file. Moving on to the JavaScript file. Let's create this object to work with canvas. We need the following properties. And the initialization method. We get a link to our canvas element with the identifier canvas1. Set the property values to be equal to the width and height of the browser window. They will be required for further use. Set the dimensions of the canvas. And we get an object that provides methods and properties for drawing on the canvas element.